Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous fall. It could be for Thanksgiving, it could be a centerpiece or a door swag. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to fold it in half so that I can have it here in my Bowdabra like this. So we're just going to lay it down, tuck the ends underneath so they're out of my way. Then I'm going to take my my mesh ribbon, and I've kind of curled it here so that the fray doesn't show. So we're just going to tuck this in here, and I'm just going to scrunch it in. So it's just a big scrunchy bow. I've got about 1.5 yards of 21-inch mesh. So it works really well in the Bowdabra because it doesn't matter how big anything is or wide it is, it's only what you can fit. And now I'm just going to roll this up again so we don't have the fray showing. Scrunch it all in there. Then I'm going to take my eucalyptus, lay this in this way, and then take my sunflowers and lay those in going, let's see what we're going to do here. Let's lay those in going this way here. And then I'm going to take my tails, and I have our it's our cream burlap, which I just love. And I'm going to bring this flower up there, and then I'm going to take my cream burlap again, and then our sunflower ribbon, which I think is so pretty. It works really in the summer or in the fall. And now I'm going to just take my burlap. I want to make sure I have the right side. And the burlap from Bowdabra.com has a wire on the wrong side of the ribbon. So I want to have the wire side going down. I'm going to fold this back over and twist it. And in the comments, please let me know where you're watching from and how you heard about Bowdabra, and if it's your first time or if you've been following us for a while. And talking about following us, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook, because that way you will be notified every time we have a new video or that we go live, because we do go live every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. And it's always either me or one of our really amazing design team members. So I'm just going to lay this right down in here. And then I'm going to take my sunflower ribbon. We're going to make another bow on top. So I love that you can do this in the Bowdabra, that you can literally layer your ribbon and put that there. And we're just going to fold it and twist and fold and twist. And let me know also in the comments if there's something that you would like me to make, any kind of project. We do have over 800 videos on our YouTube channel, and we have over 1,000 posts on our blog, probably actually even more than that. And now I'm just going to fold this over, and then now I'm going to make a loop about half the size as this for my button loop. So it's just a little bit smaller. And I will take my wand, and you'll notice the towers kind of come together when it gets really full. So I'm just going to pull the towers apart with my fingers. I think I am. There we go. And just, whoops, just pull that up. I don't know why it's not working for me. There we go. Lay my Bowdabra wand in there. Push, give everything a really good push. Pull it out. Then I'm going to take my my wire, and I'm just going to bring this around this flower here. So there we go with it there, and then whoops, it popped out, but no problem, just push it back in. Then I'm going to grab this, but you can see how much stuff we have in the Bowdabra here. So it's definitely, we've got the mesh, and we've got a really thick burlap ribbon plus our flowers. So there is a lot in the Bowdabra right now. So I'm going to bring it out. You can see how thick that is. Bring it out. I could never hold that in my hand. Be very hard. So bring this around, bring it around to the back, and and take my wire, and now I'm just going to tie it really tight. And that's what's great with the Bowdabra bow wire, is it's extremely strong. And now we're just going to shape out our bow, and we have this extra piece here that I'm just going to clip because I don't need it. So we'll just clip that, and then that'll get covered by the sunflower ribbon, and we're just going to shape out our loops. And what's great with this burlap is it's so thick that it really shapes well. Bring this here, and we're just going to puff everything out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and just puff everything out. And then I'll take these loops and I'm just going to kind of pull them in opposite directions. Bring this one here, bring this. So it's nice. You can do it without a wired ribbon, but I much prefer wired ribbon because the wired ribbon really shapes very well. Then I have my little button loop in the middle, and I'll shape that. Bring this around here, and bring my tails going down here and my tails here. And I'll bring my sunflower up and bring my other sunflower around here. Just give that a little push up. Whoops, uh-oh. Let's pull this back, put this back together. Bring my sunflower up here and bring these around. And now I'm gonna finish shaping this. So it does take a little while to fluff, but the more you fluff, the prettier your bow is. And we'll just tuck that under there, bring this around, and now you have this beautiful swag or centerpiece for your Thanksgiving table, or for your door if you want to put it on your door. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.